Hi, Wally. I know it's hot, so you're gonna stay inside, okay? Hi, Moose. You stay there with your ducky, okay? I gotta go outside and check on the worms. Okay, you stay here. Hey, friends. Alessandra here. It's been about 2 weeks since we had spotted our fly problem. Gnats, mites, whatever, awful things. I'm not planning on feeding today, but we are going to be, we're just opening it up to see the progress and how things are moving along in here. And I brought the camera out on my handhold. Oh yeah, we still got some mites. Okay, that's fine. We knew it was going to be a thing. So for those of you who might not have seen our last video, I think we might just be at the 1 year marker. We're just now having problems with the mites and I guess the gnats. I don't think they're fruit flies. We definitely have the mites over here, but there's some gnats going around. And what we did last time, we just really filled this up. And before I disrupt it too much, you guys remember 2 weeks ago, this was literally, pushing up at the top with all of the bedding, and it's already sunk down quite a bit. So that's an interesting change. And what happened was we put so much paper and paper towel rolls, toilet paper rolls, shredded cardboard, all of the things in here, and that was going to help manage the moisture for us. And it was also going to be keeping the whatever flying gnat stuff, it kind of keeps them down so that it's not as easy for them to fly. Like, they have to work through a lot of things. So I'm not going to disrupt our bedding that we made here. We're just checking on it. So we definitely saw some flies come out, some gnats come out when we opened it. So we know that they're still active in here. There's clearly still some mites. So not shocking, I suppose. It's only been 2 weeks. It's about 9:30 in the morning right now. No, it's not. Hold on. Okay, it's 9 o'clock. It is, I dropped this. There we go. It's about, we'll say it's 80 out and about 85% humidity. So it's warm. It is warm. So we're not going to feed this. I really want to feed it maybe in a day or two. But I really am glad that the moisture levels are pretty manageable. This stuff feels a little damp. So that's good. That means that the moisture is getting wicked around. But unfortunately, we still have some problems to troubleshoot. So I might give it another day or two and feed them. We'll see. I just don't want to feed too much food, and I don't want to disrupt the top layer that we put so much paper and everything down on. So progress was made. There's still mites, there's still gnats, just maybe not as many of them. Fingers crossed. I haven't noticed any excess moisture coming out of the bottom, but it's kind of hard to tell sometimes. So here's hoping Florida's humidity doesn't mess us up too bad. And also, all things considered, given that it's pretty much been a year since we've started this, we haven't harvested it, we haven't had any of the bug problems. I'm pretty content with where we're at. So we'll check back in a few days, I think, and see how they're doing. Okay, friends. Bye.